Welcome to Dot Touch Beauty. I want to quickly do a simple gele style. This gele style, you can rock it for parties and you can as well rock it for Sunday morning service. So watch out. I make a pleat and I take it on my head. And I will make one side of the gele to be short while the other side to be long. And I take it all round to the back. While I cross it at the back, I fold the long parts of the gele. And I make a knot at the back. Then I arrange it. As you can see, it's actually a simple gele style that you can rock for your parties. Thank you.